is I'm not going to do a video hook or an outline. I'm going to do a full video or a short with just a voiceover. So I'm just going to put in this topic here, and I'm going to do a sensational story, and I'm going to do a reel or a short, just so we can kind of get an idea of an example of what it can do. So you can choose for a script here. You can choose storytelling, educational. So you can choose your style. If you're on camera, you can do a vlog. I'm going to try to do a sensational TMZ style, and I'm just going to do about a 45 seconds to a minute video, or you can do a long form, which is going to be out 3 or 4 minutes. Give this a little bit of time. It's going to do all the research for you. It's going to do, a live Google search. It's going to verify, who the top quarterbacks are. So let's look at the script here. The NFL's running back market just exploded. 2026 record paydays exposed. So this is kind of an example title that you can use. It gives us shots, examples. The NFL running back market just exploded. Forget the devaluation talk. The 2026 season officially the year of the mega payday for the league's elite ball carriers. So leading the charge, the new king, Saquon Barkley. He's the first back to ever smash the $20 million barrier, right? So it gives us, an opening hook, scene 1, scene 2, but the real shocker, rookie Jeremiah Love just reset the floor with a staggering $53 million guarantee. And keep your eyes on Atlanta. Rumor just running that Bijan Robinson is hunting for a $25 million extension. So this kind of gives us the stories. Running back, finally the most valuable position in the NFL. Again, tell us who's overpaid in the comments below. So this kind of gives us a story. It talks about, right behind him, CMC is still a gold mine in San Francisco. So it gives us the full script here, and then additional that's going to give us a few some references. So let's check this here. Eagles make Saquon Barkley the NFL's highest paid player. So this kind of confirms this as an official announcement. Jeremiah Love, Cardinals reset running back pay structure. Even though he's a rookie, I think he has the highest guaranteed pay for current running backs. So this kind of confirms that story here. And then here's another story from the Sports Network. He's one of the top 10 highest paid. All right, great here. So, and once again, some of the highest paid stuff is a little bit of debate. You can go by salaries, you can go by highest paid, but we did kind of a sensational story here. So I'm going to go with that because this is accurate based on the references. So I'm going to save and sync this. Once again, you can try this for any topic or for any subject. I'm just doing it for the sports channel. So we're going to mark this as complete. And the next stage is going to be our voiceover, right? So